Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. So today what I have for you are 10 essentials which you guys can use. This video is mainly for college going girls or working women. There are a few items which guys can use as well. So let's get right into it. So first thing what I'm going to ask you to do is an activity. We're going to do an activity. We're going to have mercy. Okay, we're going to have mercy on ourselves and on others. Raise your hands and smell yourself. You don't want to stink. There are a lot of guys and girls who actually stink pretty bad and you don't want to be made fun of. If you have odor problems or any issues, start using and have mercy. So this one what I have for you is this is the Secret Temptations deodorant, which is in sweet candy. So you can either use this or you can either use a body spray. If you're not comfortable with the idea of deodorant it being too strong on you, just go for a body spray. Spray this on you after you take a shower or on your clothes. You're gonna be fresh. So next thing what we're gonna talk about is gonna be your face. So your face gets oily or it gets dirty because you travel in autos or bikes, anywhere. So your face gets dirty, you wanna wash your face. Have a face wash. These are all travel sizes and you can just put them in any bag that you have. This is the bag that I use for my work, and I had a bag in college as well. So this is like really travel friendly and it has so much space in it. You can put all your stuff in there. So use a face wash. If you're having issues with going to, if your teacher does not allow you to go wash your face or you can't wash your face at work, so have some tissues with you. Either have tissues or either have cotton balls. I keep tissues with me all the time because I am a combo skin. I do tend to get more oily on my T-zone, and yeah, it's not pretty. You look ugly. No one's gonna look at you. You're not gonna be attractive. Guys are not gonna look at you. You don't want that, girl. So next thing, you can also use a cotton pad. These are easy to use as well. So this is done. Now that you wash your face or you don't wash your face, or if your skin is too dry, what you can do is always use moisturizer. This is from Beauty Lab and this is what I got in my fat bag. And I've not done a review on this, but I've shown this in my fat bag video and it actually works pretty nice. And you just don't always have to use this one. You can go with any moisturizer which works for you, and it's travel friendly. So that's that. And now your skin gets oily, you don't have tissues, you don't know what to do. Don't worry, I'm here, I'll help you. Go friends, I got you. Compact streetwear, or you can use the Lakme, or I also have a True Match, but that's more of heavy foundation. Compact is more on the pricey side and it will actually show that you have something on your face. And next thing what I'm going to show you guys is the eye kajal. It is such a high trend to apply kajal nowadays that I don't think anybody steps out without a kajal. I use Max Factor. Yes, I have been raving about this a lot because this actually works really nice. And if you are a brand freak, or if you don't want something really black, jet black, so you can use this MAC Engraved. And I've been using this for 2 years, so it's a pretty good investment that you can do. And then next thing, face is done, your eyes are done. What about your lips? That's the most attractive part. Okay, you might be thinking like, oh my god, why is she talking like that? No, that is actually a very attractive part. If I look at somebody, it's very obvious. You tend to look at their lips because they're talking and you look at them. You want to look nice. You don't want to have a chapped lip, or you don't want a chapped lipstick on it or a lip gloss on it. So either better to, instead of using lipstick, I would rather prefer a lip gloss or a lip balm. This is from the Body Shop. I've shown this in my June favorite video. Or else you can use any lip gloss. This is the L'Oreal Glam Shine, and this stays on for pretty good. Like, I don't think you need to touch up. Even if you're at work, I don't think you need to. Your entire face is done. Okay, my face part is completely done, and now comes for your hair. Get a comb. Get a comb. You travel on bike, you sit in your class, there might be wind or breeze or whatsoever, or somebody touches your hair and goes by. You need to fix it. Okay, this is for guys as well as girls, or as well as for women. I can't talk. Guys, girls, men, women, everybody, you need to look presentable, you need to have a comb in your bag, you want to have good hair. No one's gonna look at you if you have dirty hair. I ain't gonna look at you. So here's a story time. There are two things which I'm gonna tell you right now. I was just sitting in college chit-chatting with my friends, and I hear a bang on my head, and I'm just like, what the hell just happened? My friend just hit me with a book, and guess what happened? No, none happened to me, but my clip broke. So you need to have an extra clip with you, always. Girls, trust me, you need to have extra clip. These you can use this ones, or you can have extra rubber bands, whatever fits you, whatever's okay with you, whatever you're comfortable with. Now next thing, another story. I think this has happened to every single person out there. What happened with me was my sister and I used to go on to college on bike. So what happens is I get on the bike and I start walking and I hear, it was my dupatta. My dupatta got stuck. I don't know how to tell you. Yep, my dupatta got stuck and it tore. So guess what saved me? Safety pins. And these are all in different sizes. Please have these in your bag and you will thank me one day. You'll be like, oh, she made a video and it was so helpful. Trust me, it is helpful. Put this in your bag and you will be thankful for entire life. We use this for fixing your dupatta, fixing your dress, or if your neckline, if your tank top's neckline is too low, you can just stick it up over there. So help yourself. So I think that's about it to my 10 essentials. Like and subscribe and leave comments down below. I think that's about it to my video. See ya. Until next time.